Hey everyone, this is Jimmy. I'm going to talk about and show you how to use our promo codes for this incredible holiday that we have going on. We have our biggest sale of the year right now, which is our Thanksgiving Black Friday sale. We have 75% off, and it's up to 75% off, and we're having 22% off everything on the store. These two products are 75% off here, and you use this promo code 752022. These three products are 50% off, and you use promo code 502022. These four products are 35% off, and you use promo code 352022. And everything on the website is 22% off site wide. And you use promo code 202022. So let's show you how to use the promo code. If I want to buy this product, I'm going to add whatever options I want for it, and I'm going to add this to the cart, and then I'm going to hit the checkout button. And once I get into the checkout button, I'm going to enter in my information. So let's just assume I am main@gmail.com. Enter in Jim Johnson, address 555 Main Street. And there we go. And I'm going to hit continue to shipping. And I can use the discount code and put it right here. It's 222022. And you'll see me apply this discount. And you're going to see a $77 discount, which is a 22% off. Choose the shipping options, free shipping, which is US priority, or sometimes we ship UPS. And then we got the ground, air, and next day air payments. And then I would put in my payment information right here. It's going to calculate taxes. And then I can enter a credit card. I can use ShopPay if I want to pay over 4 payments. I can use PayPal. If I have an Amazon account, I can use that. Pay tomorrow is one of our options, and we got pay with bread. And then I would hit complete my order. The key is you want to use the promo code here. If I were to take out this promo code and use the 75% off, it's not going to work, because that doesn't have the valid option. So I'm going to have to put in the 22% off code in order for that to work, and you'll see that's how you get the 75% off sale. That's how you do it. Hopefully you can save a lot of money. This sale ends on Cyber Monday, so you guys take advantage of our biggest sale of the year by Cyber Monday, the 28th of November. Thanks for watching.